how to increase or decrease the assistant menu transparency on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, then swipe down at the top, and then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down, then tap on accessibility. Next, tap on interaction and dexterity, and then tap on assistant menu. After that, we scroll down, and in the transparency section, drag on the slider bar to the right to increase the transparency, or decrease the transparency by dragging the bar to the left hand side. And that's it. So that is how you can increase or decrease the assistant menu icon transparency. Finally, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.